Nag-release ng bagong Kobe Caitlin Clark na collab ang Nike, no? Kaka-release lang kanina dito sa US. But sadly, yung pinakamasakit na part, pagsasali ka sa mga raffle, no? Matatalo ka yun, so hindi ka nakakuha. So sad. Paldo gaming. Gastos naman tayo, no? But syempre, it's Kobe, and Kobe 6 is one of my favorite na sapatos. So, siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo makakuha. Ha? Kaya ngayon, hindi tayo nakakuha sa sneakers app. Nakakuha naman tayo sa ibang sites. You know, that's what we do for a living. So, unbox ko sa harap niyo, guys. Ito yung Kobe 6 Caitlin Clark na collab. And this one is so good, bro. It's so good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Kita niyo naman yung kulay niyan, guys. Blue or light blue. Sobrang ganda ng kulay, guys. Sobrang nostalgic ng appearance ng sapatos, guys. No? Tingnan mo naman yan, guys. Paldo na naman tayo for today's video. And isa sa magandang nangyari for today's video is, like I said, guys, hindi lang pwede isang yung kunin natin. Kasi we have to wear, and at the same time, we have another pair to keep. That's what we do, guys. Wear, keep. Wear, keep. That's what we do. Pray before play. Out.